Then we got to tell you about the kauri diagram.
First, we looked at the trees around the school. We measured the girls' wall.
Next we calculated
Next, we calculated the approximate age of the trees using a mathematical formula. We looked at the biggest kauri in the world, Tanamahuta. Its girth is 1,544 centimeters. Scientists think that it maybe is 2,500 years old.
Holding a big and strong kauri are vulnerable. They can get kauri dieback disease. What's kauri dieback disease?
How can tiny bacteria kill such old structures? This experiment will show you.
Can you guess which straw had holes in it? Water travels up the trunk just like water through a straw. But if the tissue is damaged, the water can't travel and the tree dies very quickly.
We played this game to show how easily bacteria can spread. How can we protect our kauri? Stand on the path so we don't stand on the roots. Clean boots so we don't spread bacteria.
So our message is...
Protect our kauri!